always talk about, Yera Otumfo said to, he's really kept a monarchy that I feel if Shatta movement will grow like that, people in the near future will come and respect, the legacy of Shatta movement. So me coming to Kumasi, to bring a jet here, it shouldn't be something surprising because Yena now no.
Yeah.
Hey.
One down.
Where have you been?
No, bro, for me, One down.
Is it what I don't hear you.
But this is a nika who one down can't cook Kumasi. I brought to me Casa Sammy, I brought It'll be a long time.
It's been a long time. I know. I'm good, my bro.
That's father, man.
I'm no. You're the street father now.
Welcome, bro. Welcome
thank
to
you, man.
bro.
Thank you. If we leave here, we're gonna go to London.
Man.
Yeah.
Good, man.
Dr. Likee, Nijumedia Obidi, and Awasa. Inti DNA first.
Like it in there first.
Any other bay?
And they
30th.
Okay.
30th, yeah.
30th.
Okay. Yen share day na ubinya love kese de ma like isa starting from where?
So say I can say like there me no yet close from like I think let's make I say bandana days. Time I watch church movies now I'm my favorite, actor.
Yeah.
One time I say I go share with Joy Daddy. And I'm in the Tiabon thing, now why Rasta. And they're contemplating about, how, now catch me the way of Pemium, also catch me like the way I know women in Jumana or, we're just
Rasta and who's who you are.
That's how I'm doing. Mention Papa, no wrong. Is
that the way?
Was that mean she's because I'm always
not the pepper and play dry.
As a billionaire smoking at me. What puff? No, they are too.
Now they are too. Yeah. So on that day, no, you'll be a part of the walk, no.
Yes, I'll be.
Yes.
I came to like fully support him because Likee has been supporting my Shatta business from day one. Maybe no cry no me arrangements kakra amano, but Uncle True, say last time Miss Mammy team say man car mommy just because I feel say dream now me car from back then no we who dream for our support your mommy so and sometimes mission is kids no Mali and the best like fana they be our ocean sometimes to make screenshotting video know that saying say like the Shatta in way so like I've been telling you like there's him to me into GP man and make I remember no if it wasn't the WhatsApp people I wanted to wait because it's been long since I came here and I wanted to come here and come and surprise him but the way I now no friend me say oh yeah we know me so my member at least any which way like they all pay me whether money or no money he likes me so let me just come and support him.
Wow. It's like arrangement said there might be read on the 30th near it so life.
It so life.
Activities never day.
You better walk. I walk on Radiadom Winya the street father. The can street father. Obuayana on Tiasi. Answer now when your street father and you easy.
Yeah.
To say we DBC no your street father no jinemo. In fact. Na akoye nijisem abronso etechiri say Kumasi SM
chief in command
Kumasi some flex
that be how the only post so be tight no Kumasi
iti
omo talk almost start here no
sir
enro ne same
we enua talk wa obekọ akọkẹ no Obe
almost start here no ne same enro mo pressure fe no asa
Kumasi also that Monday 2:30
wow enti say there enua na eguso peace walk no enua na eguso nti enya street father ono so be ba bi di enim de straight street fo ni nyina asomdwe ne epe san se Ghana asomdwe ba ebi be kan yen ebi be kan obia na ade abre e me den se me dream ne bi eni kura no ono na me hwe na me follow na me ye de ni sua no na nsen kura wo hwe underground artista oyi wo mu pie in fact me te dem na me say brawe da bia de mesrema no ye nkwatenten da bia nkwatenten na mesrema no se bla isenka homla ko awu
easy
iti oyobia chese oye makuma pa inti no debi un se ye kase street father no the whole street in so na head etiase yi pa street father pa it is a we be na father di animu a na in fact eni makoyi wa makura na ofafon na kase meta amochia eno kura ike it SMD SMD ti say SM baby Shagzia Shagzin da bia me kan say nyane dia ye dia ti say no say hia ha obi enko no obi ye be ko abro ho na abro ni nwa sam flex no ma hu de ombe na asolve ye problem ama ye
me akwan be say me che no office Kumasi
sir
yeah me am be say me che no office Shagzin be che no o say escafo amafo nche o made
no kre no kre
me ko skani bia yi ho na chese amanfo e bonsa 100 million 200 million na me ko kagu na so me say bacho me babo 500 me mo se na me fa ma wo obi ane ma me awu no wo sere sa amanfo hu ade kro nam so me the 500 ba na me mo say odwam na me fa say na be fa no sa na tie
me kwa na me dini nyina ahye
o turu botum no e ro twe bondo say kobo ni nyina
wow
after that no frame was on TV da
wow
Shatta mo music na amanfo nche o made it me so me chana de I think say o be cherish pa
no crepa
yeah so it is ye be chana office
thank you Nyamishra
afi yenko wasa de na about day.
So Wasa is about, we campaigning for peaceful elections. So basically, we are called to promote, peaceful elections. We are called to motivate youth. It's an election year, so almost so like, they should just go and vote wisely. Memo Bianco, so that's why I'm going to.
Street those look at
Papa. I say. My say umunia. And most of the time I tell people say me won't say celebrity. I see myself like the man for the people. And if the people are my people, there's no title around it. We are just humans and brothers and sisters. What do I say? And see, I believe that.
Me show you be me the best send na abranche bi wo asante mampo. O te so beba no. Na o de send me. Na me so say wani hu a wani beje ho pa na oye Saturday wow o se o de memma kra no o celebrate wo oye Saturday na o park se na o pictures nko it's a day I was set for Shatta
wow
o so de o pa memma o no obo wa mu no obeye
asante mampon wo ko say
yeah, it's just about so now the 30 minutes before.
Okay.
So now the 30 minutes.
Oh, I'm Kumasi, so I just want to, Kumasi is my home. And they met me.
Yeah. Just say or friend or they send me or just on my BB or my artwork BB. Or say the way and say up our show who am I boofu. They want to celebrate you.
No, it's allowed. It's allowed. Sometimes me catch Uncle for say the way Uncle for Domino. I know people are scared to even book me for shows in them. But so far as obetimi e be only abroad betimi akasa and I be like it timi chain obetimi na akasa na some flex po. So money Shatta nkasa na at least odi o me pass you be say na ekita.
And that's all.
Oh wow, and these are the kind of people that we need in the system to also support the area. What must say because at least obey me I say this I say dear na we hu and dear na what you know, and this is what I've been talking about with me and like, you know. Like, you know, like nyama be okache me from back then, no. I believe God was preparing us for today. And then I'm showing the AI video. Master Sam say, me elevate you like debut or debut, you know, and it's God's gift and time. And say basana. So I just want to say thank you to this guy who is really celebrating me. Baby, I will be me ciao. Me person me can just Shatta which me spirit which Yankupon so ho. Some of started party na na ma bonfire na ma can say God is here. No more Jimmy.
That's it. But I catch you and say on that faithful day, I'll be the MC. I say 29th December.
Wow.
29th December. I was St. Monica's Junction as well.
I don't know why any day. I'll make sure we preach the gospel about the show, so that we all go. But I'll be the MC for the show that night.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Ambassador.
One done.
Yeah.
We are an institution. That's you. The whole of you is an institution.
Thank you.
It's menu dinko.
An institution. We patrol more body trick.
On one guy say a whole like bibia.
An institution.
An institution.
An institution.
Hey,
an institution.
Ambassador nyao say
So I am today. I want to go deeper into entertainment.
Okay.
First, I want to start from you felt like Abia, you did not do this right, so you had to go back as bandana, leave the system, reorganize yourself. Nema be na who say na so wrong, and I say bibi wo na free say you are not doing right because at that time no Abia wo who say but people are not ATO follow and they felt like you were doing something, but you yourself no ujaye go back to repackage yourself. Ediwe na who you free say you are not doing it right.
If I would say I wasn't doing something right, then that would be a big lie. But I felt I was doing something right, touching souls, you know, making people love music. But what I saw wasn't going right was the music industry. So I had to go back and recycle myself, you know, take me through a school, you know, educate myself and come back in another way. What I saw that was the mistake in the industry was the structure. And that has been like a curse on my head right now. I say, Bibia, I say, Memo Bianco Bieso. Mako Bieso. And it has become like the biggest curse in my life. But that curse is from man. But I didn't have me Bieso, no. It's God's blessing. And that is what I'm saying. Because sometimes, I've been telling them to. Sometimes to me, baby, na me feel say be there no, be incorrect. But mess around up no, not be biasa. Like it looks like everybody loves what I did and is right, and you know, na adiana adani bibi for, you know. So I'll just say, what I didn't see right was the music industry, because I saw a whole lot of loopholes that I felt that I didn't know Bianca, you know, where I was like, you know, people, nobody was speaking about it because everybody was cool with it. But when I came, I was like, no, like, I have a plan. Because me school, no, me catching Papa say, I want to use 2 years to do music. After, then I'll go do like law or piloting. What's my say? So, me 2 years, 3 years, no. Something just told me, no, just go back and go and learn again, find a new plan. And I think my new plan that I found has really brought me like a whole lot of enemies in the industry, you know. That is why it looks like when I talk about traditional media, and I'm say media, no, not cover for the personal one more.
Okay.
But I'm talking to a few people that have called themselves like the leaders of us.
Not everyone.
Not everyone. What must I say? But so when I see another presenter taking offense from it, you know, sometimes it's like, oh, like, So me yeah Ike da.
Yeah.
Me fa phone crank as Ike. Maybe I say ni say that. I didn't Ike so for before. Cause Ike go free ba no. Oh no wife no family for pet name so obey juma.
Yeah.
Oba no so only Shatta mbe ntokwa. And see the love for Shatta is let me just play his music because it's part of your work. Maybe I know why you news kakra, know why you comment kakra, but so me tiona mo say maybe I cafe before. Let me say, oh no, I don't know Ike because I'm building this thing to even meet Ike so we can enjoy this future together. Imagine saying maybe from Accra, then I bring like a few presenters from Accra in my jet, and then 1 or 2 bloggers. It will be beautiful.
Yeah.
But the more enemies I get, the more blessings I get, and I can't even like decode that. Sometimes it's so how come? But God always tells me that that is how the journey is like. So you have to enjoy it.
It comes with it.
Yes, you know, because I say I didn't know BNB so that like nobody has ever opened it before. I went and I said, no, let me open it and see what is inside. And that is what has brought me here. So if you ask me about the mistakes that I saw from my side, I only saw my side like I was doing music. Because I remember those days, 2003, 2004. I brought me back, Kumasi, like so hot.
Yeah.
The way I brought treating me from then up to now, that's how he treats me.
Yeah.
And that time, na me ni kobo. And Timon say, then a guy was open my same side, you know. So
time maybe who will do a cheat.
Yeah.
And
then I brought me some friend. I mean,
that's real love.
And the money, the money, so sometimes in person from can then moon.
Bless me.
Because I feel he saw that star.
Yeah.
But for him to explain to everybody, no, it's difficult. He's also facing that same difficulty now because he's also getting enemies out of what he's trying to preach to people. And yes, I brought AEOBR and I brought person who say they Shatta, you know, like or you're right. We are all not perfect, but I don't know what I say. I didn't have be so no.
Before the man the car say you are not an industry boy.
I wouldn't say ebufu, but I felt, you know, I was really prepared to position myself out of that institution.
Okay.
You know, because my problem, no, and I've been speaking about it every time, and I feel like people don't want to listen to it. So I go like, okay, but I have my fans. Shatta movement for why don't I create an industry with them? That's why you see that I release some songs that are not the normal songs every presenter plays on radio.
But you see them and then they will be singing word to word.
Thank you, because I've found my market, and I'm trying to bring everybody there. Say, oh, how you like? Okay, presenters no more pay us no. Muma inform munye bako. Omo pay us no. With time they will learn and come to our side. What must I say? But it's like it's still not working for other people. So that has been my position now. Say, okay, I'm not an industry boy. Let me just be in my circle. So me when people tell me, oh, fancy street, fancy like fancy street, fancy, but like see Uska. This is like cars or driving on streets now or the driving cars.
Yeah.
These are links like you call America, like you call London, like you call Europe. Streets now. No. So if you say you want to judge people, and that has been one of my greatest like things that I always cherish. That I don't judge people.
Yeah.
I love people the way they are. My Masons for na many of my picture. Obi because who feel at getting fanko heaven. What's my say?
It's about love.
Yeah, so it's the love that I have. So
Philly says sometimes some of the media personalities now pitch people against you.
That is what I've seen, you know. But that is what I'm saying. It has not been my problem because I'm only trying to make this industry a beautiful place. What am I saying?
Yeah.
Because before God and man, the way God has blessed me, if I'm talking about it, then people say I'm bragging. But I say, oh well, that is why today I have to bring a private jet to Kumasi. You
are proud of yourself.
Not even proud of the people that have made me who I am. Because how can people maybe an unfortunate well, fine, maybe all of them might not love me, but maybe 80% of them.
But still,
thank you. What am I saying? So like it's like a broom I drink so.
Yeah.
What must I say? But I would wish that like an industry would just sit down and say, no, you're fighting guy we are for over 15 years. He's been able to move from music into business. Why don't we sit down with him and create something with him rather than we still attacking him? Recently, I released a picture and I'll be here can once him. Oh, Shatta, they were cautious big boy. Shatta, they were cautious big boy. So because Munsia, they be a mayor, they moved your time, but this was a strategy for me to promote my new video. Watch. Thank you.
But and you say be a shot, the fake be a
me.
That's what they are saying.
Now me watch too. I mean, they big VVS na me no. We can over to me a picture scanning. Yeah. There's no way I would want to wear something fake unless I want to create a stunt out of it.
You understand what you are doing?
Thank you. And I wouldn't even do it if it wasn't because of the fans. But sometimes I feel say the so-called 3-4 people more industry no more have wings that they spread to other presenters. They still want to attack me, you know. I feel like, bro, minimum for over 15 years, still won't talk you East Legon. I have 7 houses in East Legon. And now I mean, but no matter Shaxi cars, may get December, we may get premium service for Shaxi. Matter cars, premium cars, like, and yet Kitwan be. So not I can say, what must I say? Over 6 of them is in the office right now.
Yeah.
What must I say? So I see them like, so future no, like you know, cause me no, I say they don't see the future of what they are doing. Mapai who catch them so me office. Like also who office be all the mommy.
Yes.
What's my say? So it's making me see you like wow. $1 million money be. That is me.
One ton.
No, cause if you want me to grow, I want you to grow.
Yes.
But if you want to fight me, and then me catch some flex, you say people are fighting me, and I keep quiet.
Yeah.
When I start, then no more person for IGP. One person fight near me being around me. No, but Argentina, no, so say.
As a word, they are power.
But Argentina, unim sir. And I will come once. And then problem.
But the amount for the come up today. And come on, now I want to move away from those normal conversations that people have with you.
No, talk to me. I want you to talk to me like you know a brother. Yes. I mean,
always say people feel like you talk people's matters, but when they talk your matter, then you verse.
Okay, so let me give you an example. All those things they are called brainwashing.
Okay.
So
yeah.
When you say clean no, I'll clean no.
Yeah.
Unclean here. Don't you think you might tell one of your colleagues?
Oh yes.
Don't you think you tell another person?
Yeah.
So if we are all working, and musicians, Stoneboy musicians, and they are not doing certain things to let me understand that we are keeping this place good.
Yeah.
If I talk about them, then you say I'm talking about them for hype. No, I don't need me name their friend a hype. Me cannot no. Because we are all working in an institution.
Yeah.
You've called yourself a musician, Sako then carpenter, Stoneboy and plumber. What must I say?
Yeah.
So when I'm talking about them, no, it's because we are all in the same office.
Yeah.
Want to me can't me say the American no me boy. But because of the way you're crafting music, you just say stardom, no, I say branding, no, I say no. So more ego be. I don't know what kind of ego is it. Like many want to say, the only musician that I talk to in Ghana that listens is medical.
That's the only person.
And since I'm in medical called jail by opportunities, you know, like it's so crazy. Because I feel he's the only person that has seen the light. But the rest of them, they see it like. Oh, but me, Juma radio station, yeah. What I'm talking about is let's get paid. And I get I go na thank you. So why are you not making us get paid? What's now Sama? Biscuit money now, but I'm payon. I feel now say I was there before. Somebody see I get so pissed with this thing. I go like, no, you allowed yourself. Because time as according your opportunity say a friend dino. Now whiskey in near popular. So what happened? And then Rihanna Monebo whiskey ding. You also got the same opportunity. What did you use it for? It means you didn't realize the business around what you were doing. Yeah. So when I'm talking about them, I'm not talking about them because I feel some because now me fast no mo jina montisia o.
Omo so me go
me ko montisia me say o amomo. Because me no yes, because the only thing is that I know the people I'm communicating with.
Yeah.
The people I'm communicating with understand what I'm saying. They know that Shatta do ejuma or is serious in ejuma no. That's what I'm saying. We are in a radio station.
Yeah.
How can you be complaining about something? Now, bro, catch you say, "Na say Mike and then yeah, ain't dang." It's a way. What's that one? Oh, but some Mike when I'm
fix it.
Yes. So these are the things I've been talking about. So when I talk about these things and people get offended with it, I go like, okay, cool. Media no crano, whether they like it or not.
For being anytime I have disrespected your brand. And had there ever been any time my idea be I only say it's a direct because me and Kasame boss I'm flex who and also a discussion button point me respect on the
listen. There is one name,
right.
Opposite me friend, the me friend the uncle time
no far from that.
No, listen. No, there is one name Nipa no person me friend din. And because you are my guy, that's why I can call your name. Any blessing that comes to you still comes to me. I get what I'm saying? But I've watched you, I've told you, my friend, bro. I catch you and say, dear, only sa nipa no mo ye wo online no, mempe. Sa nipa no wabakra. Mumu se mu wo loyalty ma obi. Your friend Andy Dusty. What must I say? Andy Dusty is my boss too. Yes, Andy Dusty is the godfather in this industry. Right. What must I say? Right. But if I've complained to you about your approach towards this Shatta Wale brander, Mudidia Gono, I brought time portfolio kind. Wasn't those things that you understand me? Because I'm like, portfolio, you guys can do your programs like someone said, Ike, a while ago, that was what I was saying.
Yeah.
Say you guys can have a healthy conversation.
Yeah.
But trying to paint me black and go paint somebody white, you know. And then I have a problem.
So I'm a collateral damage to energy cry be and you feel say nipa no me beno. And I told you, say, asunu me no talk. I mean you and an idiot, but I know say I've never
so and you dust, you know. Monka say Abia. Me and the dust any problem.
I know recently I saw I was very happy about my reconciliation.
But see, me my father, what your mistake why me catch you? What must say? So if Andy Dusty has made a mistake and I'm telling Andy Dusty Fuza he's an industry person, so I shouldn't talk to him like that. No, I just say, okay, baby. Okay. What I just want you to know is that don't grow in somebody's shadow to come and spoil the blessings that God has for us in the future. But I just don't want my age on Mojuma. It's your time to also connect and move well. People have been on radio and they've stopped radio and they've gone to America. What we are doing is business. The only thing I'm telling you is that all those things that you guys have done on radio is what I discussed with you when I brought. What am I saying? So me seeing you even trying to say you are being native now and stuff like wasn't a problem to me because football na who supports us me support Kotoko. It's not a war and it's
a healthy competition.
That's what I'm saying. But the mindset of what the decision you are taking is what I'm thinking about. Say portfolio.
But what can you be there? Or say it's time.
Yes. So why do you want to follow 1992 people?
One door say follow
1992 people. Who 2024 now follow Obia or why 1992 are there?
But all those aside, I don't want to drag this issue. I just want to appreciate you for all the times you spend the American movement. And in fact, I've always said that one of the shocker of the whole initiative of say now offer boys he told me to gather the boys and what he told them say I mean from incident to see we told the boys say after project on the amount of cash or spending or American invasion project or where he told the boys to keep the proceeds of the project and he didn't want a dime and it was Amrado the catcher boys and they said no on canchen is our money fans and follow it. That is all we need from him. And there are a lot more things that made me about the but please allow me to ask this very one industry question. Now me wrap it up.
But
that is for industry and that is not personal. King whatever one of the expectations I say now man for paper your after the feature with Beyonce, say she also returns a favor, collaboration favor. And I've seen you, GOG, and I think say amount for expectation were on the rise. Say at least you were going to pull a surprise. I saw you run. Say, Adia will complain. Say, maybe our industry no post channels can it's been difficult for you to get Beyonce to also feature on your track. But you're sad, you know. My entire say, what do you attribute to it? Didn't it difficult now to get a Beyonce feature
internet, you know? You think white people are not watching?
You think it's a support why sabotage the whole because we really need this.
No, do you know how many businesses and opportunities I've gotten that like names pop up that I don't want to call people's name? Like, do you know how many rooms I enter? That's I see blogs, I see people's name, people's YouTube channels pop up.
Right.
And I go like, hey, how come? Medical crack meetings, sir. Yaka Chen say, if he wants, before maybe they'll do ABCD, he has to disassociate himself from me.
Oh.
And so I go like,
it has got
really?
to that level.
No, that's what I'm saying. So if you're asking about this Beyonce, it's possible. You people have caused it. No, trust me. No, I'm telling you
the reason why you're not getting Beyonce.
Yeah, you people are the reason why. Because the way you people talk, because it's like Shatta Wale, bro. I see me through American JFK airport. Me kwa, na me go customizing me jewelry. Me do another woman be say, what you do? I said, oh, I'm a musician, like, you know, just a musician. I said, musician or celebrity? I said, oh, it's just a musician, upcoming. Said, so what you coming to? I said, oh, just shopping. What's your name? On a ball computer. So when you make P or Google.
Wow.
It was just that the woman was of God.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you make P by.
Yeah, because why do you have all this negative thing? I don't know. My country is a village. They don't know how to use a computer. Me, one day if I go and sit, is it possible? You see, all these things you are talking about, Beyonce and stuff like that, you should know that I didn't do it with stress. It was my talent that got me recognized by Beyonce.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So if I see certain artists want to feature and want to do like your artist is doing, like you want to feature everybody, you can feature, you can do no, I'm just saying no. We are
that's fine. That's fine.
It's business.
That's fine.
You see,
fine.
I want us to learn how we can grow this industry.
Right.
Who God has blessed, you should be able to see. I believe your portfolio say Manchester United, Ebia, Kwanyako FC, Bobo Sisia, Ube Betu or Manchester City. What am I saying? Because you know that no, after Manchester, Manchester bet match 10 biama. Now at least what's go through. We should desist from trying to paint one guy black and the other white. We should stop that, because the question you asked me is the answer I'll give you. Because if I watch certain people on certain platforms and Niyama meeting me see, oh, me call your video. Now me call a meeting there. So now me call for maybe my Shaxi meetings.
Right.
Then I have to go and explain the SC between me and Ike.
Right.
Now, at the end of the day, no so here, no so went to me and you home come up.
Bro, sometimes you say, and I need to make us say, Shatta, we will support what you are doing. Just take this and come back and we'll see what.
But is there a possibility
that what?
That the whole thing, the Beyonce Shatta collabo thing?
Bro, what I'm
Are
doing
you still pushing?
No, right now I'm not doing music. You people that are doing music and you want to watch.
I say a hobby.
No, possibly right now. Music is my hobby now. Like, I've graduated from music. What I'm doing with music now is just trying to feed the fans with good music, because the kind of rivalry and the competition and it's not healthy, and nobody's getting money out of it. Possibly as you are sitting here right now, I swear somebody has not given 1 million Ghana, but I can give 1 million Ghana city right now.
Right now.
If I verse.
Say what?
I can give 1 million Ghana city. I can give you no, because
Best on me, no portfolio.
I mean that best for you.
Best on me.
Yeah, no, bro. What I'm trying to say is that let's
I know it's doable, but
no.
I know it's doable.
No. You see, bro, what I just want to say is that
the relationship is not driven by money and all.
No, you see, what I want to say is that if we are defending something or we are working on something, let's make sure we are all like benefiting from it. You understand me?
But I want to say thank you for the way I was here handle issue. Yeah, maturity in the essence.
Me and you maturity.
But I was here handle. You'll be on the best.
I maturity, bro. So sometimes Ghana portfolio no music I didn't know. Oh, your maturity, and you know this one is emotional. Me person always. You see me, I live according to how the sun comes out and the moon comes out.
Yeah.
When it's Tuesday, it's Tuesday for me. When it's Friday, it's Friday for me.
Yeah.
I feel I'm in Kumasi.
Yeah.
I want portfolio to know that I don't have anything against him.
Yeah, of course.
I just want him to know that the problem I told him that he can't explain to all of you.
Yeah.
Said, portfolio, They more and same Juma.
But at least,
so she should, and then she should shoot down. He should shoot down the narrative out there. Say there is a non-disclosure agreement that prevents you from performing the collaboration with Beyonce. Is it true? It's better for.
How many of you in the industry have pushed the Beyonce agenda? That was our biggest opportunity for us to break into the world.
My member.
No, you guys didn't push the agenda.
One don't. My member event in a way.
Because the person interview me. Me no be podcast.
Never some the award be by MC Hype Man of the year this year. Me na really in Tiasen Kamede Baba.
Oh, Ghana DJs award. Me just say award no. Say
It's video me no umba. Video me de umba.
I'm this come me
member event so but now my day back be na the member event so I was like say bia wa share dey with them now free say dey say now be na I talk about our Ghana we people be train now for all of sudden we that sorry na ade na we see a former member of you at the list Baba to Abonte say and them are the best surprise Ghana any we feature. How do you take that one?
Oh, I like where you've taken the matter to. This is Bulldog's matter.
Yeah.
And it's just I'm talking to you right now. I want to take this opportunity to tell every judge and lawyer that is listening to us that if people bring problems to them, that they see that this person is not important, they should beat the person there.
In the court.
Yeah, because bro, you see what you're saying? As I'm talking to you now, Bulldog, I sent him a letter. That was just last week. My catch Sammy.
Oh wow.
Say, Sammy. And Sammy, you see what Ike is saying right now? That is revelation. That is what I want people to understand. How can you take my property and put it out there for free? Saying, oh, mume debut, ebe amani aduane.
Yeah.
Oh, mume di ne aduane no. Me bufu ye no, odi akokot. Uni pa na ukofa problem no buy no, odi akokot. See what men are judging on earth, we'll get to heaven and people will see that plenty men have sinned.
Yeah.
How can you behave to me like that? You the same person. We hear me say no. Me fa the same say ever popo asom no. Odi akokot. Judge is one more court no. Omo odi omo bisa asem. Ba mo be say yen follow me follow your Ghana be my bre.
Until last week no serve.
And I'm like until lawyers no suit na na obi abe kasa bisa na asem no like what for asem no say okay yen serve Shatta. Me pese judge ni lawyer bia on pese omo nye bibi Ghana na omo nye. Your election year. So obi antumi ma yen asomdwe a. I can't you hear brother. You see what you have said right now? It has been my problem from home. Ask me by now. Because I'm like, Auntie, Obi and Twin Busabuzo, I didn't know the guy no album no to album thing. Una who say asem no. Auntie, find a way I apologize to your brother. And you forget. You call court me. Your first court na me no go judge no say, Bulldog, Shatta is your junior brother. Try and go and solve this matter. That was how we took the case out of the court. Your court now, you know. Oh, we no masem. Say, angels. We the angel lawyers no more. You were mentioning 200,000 Ghana cedi for lawyers. I was like, boo, I can't do that kind of thing. Me papa our America, Leslie, and I can just say, okay, we need about 100,000 be amount. So we are smarter. Only we should Ghana or TikTok. Your friend only me say, me say I'm sure on TikTok. Ubet me smart and now we smart.
Now
we call Leslie. But this guy no ubet me 20 kakra. But Bulldog sound sorry. At the assembly court. Say court form frame me. Me person judge and a lawyer being frame Ghana. I got election on my posse. No, I'm being real with Ghana because bro, like I'm getting tired with the system. Obi a pastor ka say me wukra me call jail my pastor no. Because pastor no Peter. Oye Pope John Paul. Onu oka se me wu na me wu rap na no. Aka sa pastor na say influential na fa no ba Bantama Square. Na obi am bo no mba be 50-50. How can we be living in a country like and all these foolish problems will be coming to me every time then na Shatta me met you say now they be am sure. Bro, I'm tired with this matter. I don't know how you brought this matter up.
Because it was something that I was wondering, say, at the end of pushy man at the better one thing. And I said that time maybe I want to know be man because I was asking myself.
No, that was my project. That baby I might get me bro, my son the portfolio my picture American stars are yeah top the way I'm friend top
A listed
for Uncle Funny. I have the songs there. After Beyonce, the kind of features I've gotten, these are like top artists. So when that thing came out, I was like, boo, but so even dear girl cry. You dear girl in a certain way. But me fast, you know, because of Felice, who did you what? This side. And 2% unko ye we. Also like some way. You understand me? What I'm saying, there are names in this thing that I don't want to mention.
Okay.
But I want to let Bulldog know that if he's listening to me, I am not going to cut today and tomorrow. And I've given him $60,000 and one sonata. If he doesn't bring it, you should forget the court. No judge can come and force me to come to court and up and down. Me court in me talent. Me ye me juma. Question now beside anybody that is listening to this interview should play from where you asked this question from. That was where the problem came from. I didn't cause any problem for Bulldog. So nobody should come and waste my time in this country because my bro, like me person no, because it's just looking like you know when they
you inspire a lot of people.
No, but bro, like I don't like it when the country is not even helping me. The country is not protecting me. The country is not protecting me. I'm being real about it. The people who are protecting me are the people on the streets, bro. Bro. Country no warm. So how can we support them?
Yeah.
So but if cases like this are coming up, and then first something like our friend said, yes, I could say, I could see you say, me no TikTok, and I can the one Sam say, if bro, Nyama muka o me hunu say me no munis can't na minimum kokot no. Minimum kokot ade menya de omu. Impenyin for me mama mu woni ansam un say de muka na nkosasem. Like let's be real with these things. You understand me? Things that people are doing to me. See the way I brought 3 buses Salima. There's Salima mu ye mu. If I start on here right now, then some big officials will come and say, Shatta, on board. For what? Bro, I did my corner, I did do my thing. Nobody should come and just worry me around. Because when you worry me, I won't fucking respect the law. Because there's no law working here in Ghana. Obi to me, yeah, we're not going to court. Back for court. Where did they do this for? Who America? You maybe want to me in because the police will not be some question 1 to 9, check camera. Hey, what offended? Me tell me baby, they be na way yam already, na way yam already. Me feel be what you realize is sembe one thing na ibi Shatta Wale na lawyers no mo page man na munye.
And I say yenko yenfa event na ewe ni mo ba on the 28th of